this video on the SLIM70 PRO, we will talk about the diagnostic features. A full set of diagnostics are available from within the SLIM70 PRO. Various useful diagnostic information can be monitored, measured and utilised. And the altering of various parameters can also be controlled. Why would you need to do all this? Well, this set of tools will help you check each part of your installation. You can check the health and functioning ability of each part of your signal path. For instance, as well as HPD toggle control, there is also the ability to take a measurement of the Cat6 cable length. Is it too long? Is it even connected? Well, checking the length of the Cat cable will help you know. You can measure the transmitter and receiver power supply and iPoC voltages. Are they correct? Is there a fault along the cable? Are you getting the voltage drop from one end to the other? Are the terminations correct? The voltage test will help you know. You can also report the HDBaseT signal and link status and check for any HDBaseT signal errors. Do you want positive confirmation that all is well? Do you want to know that the far end is getting the proper signal? The signal and link status check will help you know the answer to those questions. Also, you can get information about the input HDMI signal, such as resolution, refresh rate, colour depth, HDR setting, the audio settings, the audio rate, number of audio channels, HPR and HDCP. Are you sending the correct signal in the first instance? What resolution is it? Is it sending stereo or multi-channel audio? These are all important questions that we need to have answered, and the SLIM70 PRO can tell you the answers. Indeed, the diagnostic tools are invaluable for every installation. All these useful tools are freely available for you to use from within the SLIM70 PRO, the most advanced HDBaseT extender on the market. You can see another tutorial video on our website which shows you how to download, install and use all the different functions within the PC Tools app. So as usual, thanks for watching this episode and we will see you on the next one.
SY, the centre of your connected world.